Not everything is meant to be shared. Not yet. In this video, I'm talking about the power of silence. When it comes to your dreams or goals, manifestations, when we speak too soon, we often invite doubt, projection, and resistance, not just from others, but from ourselves as well. If you've ever wondered why your blessings seem to stall after you started talking about them, this video is going to be for you. We got to protect our visions. We got to keep it sacred and let the results do the talking. So, hey, welcome back if you've been here before. If you haven't, come on in, get comfortable. We're about to have another session of Let's Talk, real talk. It's just going to be you and I. No fluff and stuff. Just you and I having a conversation. I felt something really strong in my heart that I wanted to share with you. It came over me as such that it has to come out of me. And here we are. So this one might feel a bit personal. Because we live in a world where sharing everything seems so normal. Today, though, I want to talk about not sharing. What I mean by sharing, either we do it or we know people that do it. Come on, it's 2025. I think we all can admit that we're like, okay, well, we go on walks too and we see grass. It's not that special. But it's like, well, wait, this blade of grass is a little bit taller than the other ones. Look it's very special. Or, hey, look, I ate another tomato. Or look, I don't know, whatever it is. It's a silly things that we just feel like we need everybody to know. And it's just not that important. To us. To them, maybe it is. Maybe it's the attention that they get from it, perhaps. But I want to talk to you today, though, about not sharing. Specifically, why sometimes keeping your dreams to yourself is the most powerful thing that you can do. When you speak too soon about your plans, about your blessings, about your wishes, wants, desires, sometimes, not sometimes, all the time, you're inviting energy in. And whether you realize that or not, you're inviting energy in. And not all energy is supportive energy. Some people don't mean to doubt you, but their energy will definitely speak louder than their words. And others, they just don't want you to see you win. And even more, you start to feel pressure to perform because you've put it out there, right? You've said it out loud, and now you got to make it happen one way or the other. Well, manifestation is sacred. It's not just about speaking it into existence. It's about nurturing it in silence. The universe does its best work behind the scenes. When you're aligned, intentional, and focused, not distracted by the outside noise. I've had moments where I've shared something way too soon, and almost instantly I felt a shift. Things slowed down, the vibe shifted. It's not a coincidence that happens. That's energy. That's energy that you're feeling. Now I move a lot differently. I still dream big, but I protect it until it's ready to be shared. And you'll know what time is the right time. And you'll know the people in your life that you can and can't share things with, should or shouldn't share things with. And maybe evaluate, because there might be people that you think or thought that you could may not be such a great idea. Just be cautious and be careful with whose hands you put sacred things into. That's really what I'm trying to say. Protect yourself, protect your manifestations, protect your energy. Be cautious, be careful. So, if you're working on something big, something beautiful, keep it sacred. You don't have to prove anything. Let your results speak. Move in silence, build in peace, and let the universe surprise them. this message resonated with you, if you got anything out of it at all, would you hit that subscribe button for more spiritual insight, real talk, and manifestation truths? And if you're protecting something sacred right now, drop a little leaf emoji down in the comments. Let's honor what we're building quietly and powerfully. So, for now, guys, I'm going to sign off. Until the next one, stay aligned, keep shining.